Here's how I finish my embroidered hoop art in a beechwood hoop. I take a look and decide which size hoop I want. Do I want to frame it tight with a 7-inch hoop, or do I want to go bigger with an 8-inch hoop and have that margin? I'm going to go with the 8-inch hoop here. Now I'm going to take that hoop, trace around the inside of it, and cut 3 layers of thick white felt to back up my project. In addition to backing up my project with this felt, I also add a second layer of white cotton fabric that's the same size as my project. Layering these 2 layers of fabric is going to make the whole project just whiter and brighter in the hoop because you're basically doubling up the weave. So now I center it in the hoop and pull tight from diagonal corners, pull tight side to side, top to top, till I've pulled out all of the wrinkles and any bumps. Now I'm going to put those 3 layers of felt inside the back of the hoop, cut a 48-inch piece of embroidery floss, separate it down to 3 strands, and I'll sew right close to the hoop around the back so I can gather it. I'm not cutting my fabric down to a circular shape. I'm keeping it square so that if I want to wash it later, if I want to frame it differently, I've got the whole piece of fabric. So now I'll gather all those corners into the center also, and then I'll tie it off. I might optionally add another piece of white felt over the back to finish it off.